What's up, everybody? I'm Darlene from Boxycharm, duck fed. Okay, this right here, this is some cream that goes on your face, and we're just gonna go ahead and make some tribal dots. Looks like a happy face on the top. There you go, boom, boom, flip you off. Okay, so we're gonna just smear it all around, and what this is doing is hiding all those snacks that are just seeping through my pores, some chocolate from the day before. Oh, brand new. Next one. Okay, so this right here, right here we're making freckles, because I want freckles on my forehead, and this is just blending in, the freckles are gone. Okay, so this right here, more freckles. So we're doing more freckles all over my face, and we're just gonna blend that in. You know what happens when we blend it in? Everything disappears. Freckles, no freckles. I'm just glamorous right now. I'm just looking all 100% me. Some more duck face. Putting some cream on my face that is supposed to make me more light. Okay. And now what we're doing is we're getting rid of those mad lines that when I'm mad and I go like this, I'm gonna just go ahead and hide it. And this is for my cheekbones. This is fast. Let me just take a little break. See, kind of take it all in, what's going on. This, I was practicing rolling my eyes at somebody. This right here makes me get in a better mood. This is called, never mind, put it down. I put it on the lid, and what you do is you just dab it just a little bit and put it anywhere. Throw it off to the side, onto your face, whatever you want. Duck face. And cheekbones, we want to accentuate them. This is I can't see that word. And we are gonna pick orange, because that's what it is. It's gonna match my shirt. Oops, spilled some. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and just dab it all your eye. Use your finger, however you want. Pinkies, index finger, you can just throw it all over. And you're just gonna dab it all over your eye. And then you just keep dabbing it just until it all disappears and you start having to put more on because you took it all off. And then you're gonna just go ahead and make straight lines. You're gonna just bring it all out. You wanna go towards your ear, bring it all out. And then this is to hide that you're tired. This is for the under eye baggage. From when you're taking care of your kids and stuff, you just hide all of that you're tired. And you go ahead and just smear it all out. And you just take your frustrations out on it a little bit. Just throw it on there, overdo it. Right here, you always go like this to make sure that you got the right look. You don't look normal unless you do this. So you go ahead and just do that a couple times. Dab it at the inner parts of your eyes. You bring it out. You don't even need brushes sometimes for makeup. You just need your fingers. And you're gonna go ahead and put some eyelashes on, eyelash marker. And what that does is it just makes your eyelashes just pop. This right here, this is like a shimmering highlight. And that's just gonna go ahead and just bring out your cheekbones. And right now you just do a little dance, just get the vibe right. Your kid's acting up in the background, you're going to check on them real quick. And then, whoa, that's a lot. So right here you want to just go ahead and just this makes your lips even bigger. And we're going to go ahead and just dab in with your finger again. Put the little eyeliner or lip liner along your mouth. And then you spray it. And what this does is like perfume, because you stink. And you just spray it all over yourself. And now you're all perfect. You just give them a little look. Yes, and now you're almost ready to go out. Give them a little, I love you, and I want to be with you, and I'm going to tease you at work. Perfect.